I decided to study a joint degree in Spanish and linguistics because I've always loved languages, and linguistics is essentially the study of every single language, and you learn how you begin speaking and things like that. And it's not something that you're offered at A level, so I did think it would be a lot more difficult to pick it up from scratch, but having the tutorial system where you're either one-on-one with your tutor, or you'll have 2 or 3 people maybe in your tute groups, it really helps you develop your skills, and you can really go into detail into your essay or into the reading that you've done. And I think it's really helpful with literature as well, because having the tutorial system for literature means that you get these different perspectives, and obviously it's quite a subjective thing to read a novel, so it's really useful to hear your tutor's input or your tute partner's input. So it's really nice to be able to have those smaller classes and really go into detail and develop your debating skills and have discussions about your work and about books that you care about. With languages as well, you get oral classes and grammar classes, and these develop your skills further, so they help you be able to articulate and communicate in the target language, and they also help you learn more about the grammar, which maybe we didn't really do that at A level. So I think it's really nice having the classes and the smaller groups to really get into detail with everything.